Ever felt like your classroom is a whirlwind of distractions? Imagine a tool that can help students focus and stay organized. Today we'll explore how a simple to-do list can transform classroom dynamics. This strategy works well for students who often get off track, act impulsively, or struggle to begin assignments on their own. Let's dive into a common classroom scenario to see this in action. Let's take a look at a situation that may sound familiar. A student interrupts needing a pencil while another asks to sharpen theirs. Such moments can derail not only the student's learning, but also the focus of the entire class. Moments like these highlight the challenges students face with focus and impulsivity. These disruptions can affect the entire classroom environment, making it crucial to find effective solutions. One way to help is by meeting privately with the student and creating a personal to-do list, a step-by-step guide they can use at their desk to stay focused. Keep the list short and clear and place it where they can see it easily, like the top corner of their workspace. This approach gives the student something concrete to follow. Recognize and celebrate when students use their lists effectively. Positive reinforcement builds confidence and encourages continued use. With consistency, this strategy can lead to significant improvements. Thanks for taking a moment to learn with me today. With consistency and support, tools like this can make a big impact. Let's continue to empower our students together.